if you love BMWs, Mercedes, or a stylish SUV, here's some exciting news for you. Imagine saving lakhs of rupees on your dream car. Yes, you heard that right. Now you can save up to 2.5 lakh or even more on your dream car. Stick around and I'll explain exactly why this is happening. With GST 2.0 coming into action, the government has changed the entire tax system, and not just for luxury cars, even for small cars and two-wheelers. Today, I'll break down how exactly these rules are making cars more affordable, what does it mean for buyers like you, and why right now could be the perfect time to buy your next car. Luxury cars have a flat 40% GST. Mid-sized sedans and SUVs are taxed between 18 to 28% depending on what model you select. Because of all this, car prices have dropped a lot. Let's take a real example. A BMW 5 Series, which used to cost 75 lakhs, is now for about 72.5 lakh rupees, a direct saving of 2.5 lakh. Similarly, a Mercedes GLC, which used to cost 60 lakhs, is now for about 57 lakhs. And it's not just for luxury cars. Even small cars like compact sedans and hatchbacks are now at 18% GST, down from 28%. This can mean saving 20 to 30,000 on a small car. And this is not even the best part. The best part is car companies अब ये सारी savings customers को ही दे रही है. So brands like Maruti Suzuki, Mahindra, Tata Motors, BMW and Mercedes have already announced price cuts to attract new buyers. Right now might be the best time to buy your dream car or bike because first, experts say September 2025 was a strong month for auto sales. Second, taxes are down and prices are lower for almost every vehicle. Third, EMIs are lower, interest rates are fair, and first-time buyers have affordable options. So if you're planning to buy your first car, right now is the best option. Now combine all these factors with price cuts announced by brands and you get a rare opportunity to maximize your savings. So whether it's your first car, a family SUV, or a luxury sedan, don't wait because right now is the perfect time to make your dream car a reality. Will you take the advantage or miss the opportunity? Let us know in the comments below. And that's it from our side. If you have any queries or doubts, you can send us a hi on the WhatsApp number given below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.